In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external content on a dashboard in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to bring content from another site, like a video, a live report, or a calendar, right into your HubSpot dashboard so your key information lives in one place. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct HubSpot account and that you have permission to edit dashboards. It also helps to have the shareable URL or embed code of the content you want to add ready to paste. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot site and log in. If you have access to multiple accounts, confirm you're in the one where you want the dashboard updated. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and look for the reporting section. That's where HubSpot keeps dashboards and reporting tools. If you don't see it, your permissions might be limited, so you may need an admin to grant access. Click Dashboards to open your list of dashboards. Choose the dashboard you want to update so the new content lands in the right place. At the top right, click Add Content. This opens the panel where you can add new modules. From here, select External Content. This option lets HubSpot display content that's hosted elsewhere, which is perfect for things like embedded analytics pages, slides, or live streams. Next, choose the type of external content. You'll typically see options that cover common sources, plus a more general option for anything that provides a public URL or an embed code. Pick the option that matches your source so HubSpot knows how to display it. Give your module a clear, descriptive title. Keep it concise and specific, so teammates instantly know what they're looking at. For example, YouTube Performance Overview, or Support Queue Dashboard. Now add the URL or paste the embed code for the content you want to display. If you're using a URL, make sure it's a public, shareable link and uses HTTPS. If you're using an embed code, paste the full iframe provided by the source. Not every site allows embedding, so if the preview doesn't load, switch to the official embed code from the source or adjust the sharing settings on that content. Avoid pasting any confidential tokens or credentials here. When everything looks good, click Add. HubSpot will place the external content on your dashboard. If the tile appears blank, check the source's sharing permissions or try the Embed option instead. That's it. Your external content is now part of your HubSpot dashboard, keeping your team aligned with live, centralized insights.